G'day all. I've done a small mod to my SE-03. And what it is, there's the burner that comes with this steam plant. Now that slides under there, it sits up in there, and there's two thumb screws. I'll just show you where they slip into. So there's one thumb screw holding the burner tray in place, and there's the second thumb screw. So all you do, you back that off and back that one up the back there off, and that tray falls out. So with mine, when I dropped it down, there wasn't enough room for me to get it out. It was just too tight, and this was too high. There was no way in the world for me to get it out. So the only way I could get the burner tray out was to back these 4 screws off that hold the base of the boiler, and then I could slip. Just gave me just enough clearance to get this out. But of course that would be a pain in the butt to do that all the time. So what I did, I machined up some spacers out of brass. Now these are exactly 3 mils, and there's 4 of these. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, and the bolts were long enough for me to be able to drop these in, and they still had enough length to bite into. The base on the SE-03 is threaded, so they've gone in there, and now I can easily pull that out to clean that, because I've been using hand sanitizer, and it does leave a little tiny bit of residue. And if I want to use wood, charcoal or coal, it's going to be a lot easier now that I can get that out. So yeah, I don't know, it'd be interesting to hear back if everybody's SE-03 is the same, or whether mine happened to be lower, or if my burner tray was higher. But it would be interesting to find out if other people's trays come out easy or not. But anyway, that was my solution. 1, 2, 3, 4 3mm brass risers. And as always, thanks for watching, and bye now.